It's the 9th. Always goes off. What time was it there now? 7:56. The 9th of July. The 8th of July was the 12th parade down here in Rossnowlagh. Rossnowlagh now. Car camped here last night. This car park has a height barrier as you come in. It has gates that say it's going to be locked at 9 o'clock. But when I came here yesterday, I seen the motorhomes with these blocks on them, so I knew they'd be camping. And I stayed here till about 10 o'clock last night. Checked your man over there, and I said it hasn't been locked all week. So where they lock it the rest of the year, I don't know. That's proper car park, council owned. It's free. Recycling bank. Got the cameras looking down the recycling bank, but no cameras anywhere else. Look very small. Toy cameras too, like. There's the entrance down below. The entrance is still scruffy. The high barriers and all bent and all. So the car park's been done up since the original entrance was made. But the barriers just lying open, saying that there's nothing stopping them swinging shut, you know. There's no retaining poles. Morning, I dump the rubbish here, I go to the toilet. Portaloos up here. Portaloos are jam packed after the 12th yesterday. Full. Very quiet night here last night. There's a bad job there. Glass recycling banks, and look at all the glass line. Look at that, look over the side. Look off the glass. All the broken glass. That's the boys in the lorries that do that. When they empty them out, they swallow a bit. They don't brush up. Look, I filmed the whole beach right on the beach yesterday. This time yesterday we had up to 60 mile an hour winds. Sand blowing all over the place. So lovely and warm now. Completely different. You get all weathers down here, like all 4 seasons in one day. 8 o'clock and you feel the heat of the sun. Them women in front with a flask of tea, they were all out swimming in the sea. They're back from the swim. It's not always women do mad things like that, isn't it? Couple of buns up there. I'll go to the toilet here now when I'm passing. Toilets have hand sanitizer in them. There's a water tap, drinking water. There's a glass bottle line of recycling bank down the road. Outdoor freezing cold shower. Look, you can wash your feet and all. Wee play park, very small, toddlers. Tell you what's unusual here. This is very unusual. See litter bins? Normal litter bins you get anywhere. Normally Donegal Council having made so you can't get any bigger than a Pepsi can in. There's normal bins. Blue Flag Beach. Rabbits over there. Big rabbits, big rabbits. Thing is, Luna was that by the sniffing, didn't see them last night. Had I shout at her. But other than that, she hasn't chased any rabbits. Lifeguard from this bit of the beach up the ways. No dogs allowed on it after 11 o'clock. I can't remember what time. But there's no signs here to tell you. There's no signs in the front entrance to tell you. It's only the middle entrance. There's a sign. It's a wee small thing. Tap in Gaelic and the bottom in English. You'd have to actually stop and read it. It's not much bigger than that wee sign there. Like, it's one of them signs. There's one each side. That's where I went to read it. But other than that, you can walk past it. Oh, Luna's got the life jacket, look at that. What's the view like up there, Luna? You know what, I'll just go up and see what the view's like. It wasn't up there yesterday. Luna! Come up and see the view. what, there's a good view up here, boys. They were chained down, start to take it off. Yeah, no, look at that there for a view there. All the motorhomes over there, that was from the 12th. £45 or €50. But I'm just thinking that might be for 2 nights. It would make better sense if that was for 2 nights, but they weren't giving you an option. That was just the price to go in there. £5 or €5 for parking for cars yesterday, which I thought was a bit of a rip-off. Doing one's a sterling out. Should be about £4.25, the equivalent of the euros. But a new house has been built here this last, I don't know how long. I was here about 20 years ago, none of them houses were here then. There's the car park I'm on. What's that? What's the idea of this going out like this? This must be just to keep the equipment. See a truck there, brother? I'll tell you what, you know how a fireman has a pole? It takes them boys a while to run down these steps, wouldn't it? So there's the boys away at there, yellow boys, no dogs in this section. But that's the only way onto the beach. I went on the beach yesterday, just down below. It's wild, the sand erosion. But there's no signs here saying no dogs. That's what I don't understand. Oh, it's like a postcard today, isn't it? I'm coming, Luna. Luna wants her ball. I'm coming. That's my girl. It's not often Luna waits for me. She wants her ball. Look at me, girl. Do you know I have my pocket? Do you know what I've got in my pocket? It's warm, Luna, it's warm. Oh, jellyfish. Oh, look, that's close. Look what the jellyfish is. How close you was that jellyfish. Oh, no, jellyfish. No. Just come over to see it. Look at that big beach now, Luna. We'll walk down this right now, it's nice and quiet. And we'll go down to the wee stream. Found a wee stream yesterday. I'm sure it's been there for 10,000 years, but I just found it yesterday. Don't mind, Luna. Found a wee stream yesterday. A wee bit of breeze here now. You know what, but yesterday's very stormy and the wind was warm, that wind's a wee bit cooler. There's not really much else to explore to Rossnowlagh, you know. You do the beach, you go up to the caravan park, back from the caravan park if you're on a caravan park, but there's not actually You do a wee bit of a circular walk there, you go off the beach and come up past the new houses and back on, but there's not much else you can do here. A wee Sunday morning walk now around the place. I'll just check what time it is. A lot quieter than yesterday. It's 4 minutes to 9. There's no footpaths here. Just noticed that hotel there, a lot of open windows. So it means no aircon on it. On this way, Pat. Height barriers everywhere. Everywhere you go in the public is height barriers. And they don't even tell you what height it is like. People are used to them over here, they don't have to paint them fluorescent colours or nothing. I'll let you off here now, Lena. She's pretty good in the morning walking around the housing estate and all. She should be able to stay in the footpath. Want to stay in the footpath now, Pet? Come on, Lena. Put you on the lead here now, Pet. Don't want you scrounging. Come on, honey. Lena. Oh, wow, I've knocked the toilets over. You get that everywhere, don't you, like? I did. Come on, that's right, honey. I'll let you off here now. Put you now that wee pup in front. Do you wee snuffies? Three toilets knocked over. I must have run out of energy to do the rest. No, I'm on this way, Pep. It was all happening here yesterday. Some money ticking in this wee hole in the wire here, so it's £45 a caravan to camp and £5 to park a car. See, if you ever do come to the public, always bring euros with you. If it was €5, always have some euros in the car. Well, then, that's my girl. It's very, very quiet, but we're early. I might take the car down on the beach. I don't know where they head off towards home and do a wee coastal run. Or I'll just go down to the beach. And doggies appear, she can go out and play with them. Mom, we'll cross over now, honey. Here's the entrance to my white camping spot last night. So the barrier looks a lot older than the car park does. So maybe the car park was an old gravel thing at one time. No. Do you know what? The middle pole's bent. Maybe the barriers don't fit in them more. Maybe that's why they're not closing them. But they can still close the gates at night, but they didn't close them at night. It says 6'6", but the way it's bent, it's probably even lower than that now. But once you get them through the gate, proper tarmac. She has to be a poo yet. If I do want to get over and done with. Then I said I ran late last night, so maybe she's nothing in her. But I still like to see one come out, get out of the way, Luna. Oh, there's a lorry coming with a burger truly. I'm expecting crowds today. Come on out, Luna. There's my wee camping spot for last night. A wee tip, do you see the car park? See all the sand that's over the white lines? A wee tip for anybody while camping. How you doing? Luna! I wanted a level spot, left to right. This car park's sloping downhill. Sloping downhill that way. And where the three holes meet in this level, that's where all the crap is washed down. So that's like I'm on this level. All the water runs towards it. So I know it's a level site. That's a wee tip anybody while camping. Come on now, honey. That's my girl.